Every music content creator wants to make money from TikTok, and somehow they get confused in how to turn the tap on, and this makes them frustrated when they see a lot of other artists actually earning the money from TikTok, and they can't figure out, why am I not earning this money? Where do you get it from? Well, on this show, it's about making money from the music industry, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now on the Music Money Makeover Show. Hey music money makers, welcome back to the Music Money Makeover Show. Yes, you can clearly see I just gave you a title right there. You all are now music money makers. Welcome back to the Music Money Makeover Show. Without me dibbling and dabbling, let's go ahead and get into the topic of today's show, which is getting you some money from TikTok. Check it out. How you get paid. Royalties. TikTok pays royalties in two forms. That's performance royalties via a PRO and mechanical royalties via music reports here in America. Pause. Now, if you are new to this show, congratulations, you just learned a secret. If you're not, you know that this exists already, but we got to deep dive a little bit into the show. Now, publishers collect this money and then pay the songwriter portions to the respective writers of the song. Now, if you are your own publisher, that's even better. We're going to talk about the benefits of being your own publisher in this type of situation later down the line. But if you take a look back here at the slide, you got music reports, which will receive our mechanical royalties. And then if you're a member at any one of these societies, you can get your performance royalties there. They should show up on your royalty statement. Now, money sources, micro audio. I talked about this in the TuneCore video. Many of you all said I was dumb, I was stupid, I was crazy, and I didn't know what I was talking about. But I do know what I'm talking about, so let me explain it. Micro audio is the audio that is released on TikTok prior to a standard release, where users can choose the segment of a song for use. Now, the difference here is when you distribute your album or your singles, you normally just push it through the TikTok system so all the users on there can use it. However, you can just put a snippet up or a raw recording of something that's not even studio quality onto TikTok and get all your ISRCs for this raw, demo, grainy sounding recording just in case it goes viral. Now, currently TuneCore is the only distributor that offers the monetization of a TikTok sound. Micro audio is a way music publishers can make money twice from your music in the form of streaming on TikTok, separate from a standard release. All micro audio performance royalties can be collected by your PRO, but unfortunately, the mechanical royalties will be diverted to TuneCore, and this only has to do with micro audio. The publisher can collect the mechanical royalties from TuneCore and split them accordingly from there. That's the difficulty with this thing, but you know, come on, what's the music industry without difficulty? However, the next money source is the full audio, and this is what most of you all know. The full audio is distributed to TikTok via a music distributor and your publisher, or you if you don't have a publisher. This takes the middleman out, puts more money in your pocket faster and quicker, right? And now, if you don't have a publisher, you can pick up the mechanical royalties from music reports, like I said in the beginning, in America, and the performance royalties from your respective PROs. So it works that way, like I said earlier, but in the micro audio form, it doesn't work that way. Check it out. Is there any more money? What about master royalties for record labels? TikTok is not a subscription service for music, so record labels won't make any cash from TikTok. But let's talk about lyrics here. Now, the software isn't built for this yet, but Instagram is, so I expect this feature to enter the platform soon. And if it does, then I hope that there will be a royalty pool increase happening on the back end so we can get paid more for these lyrics as well. Hopefully TikTok will integrate that into their system. Now, book a call below, because building this system will require a deeper one-on-one understanding of all the numbers and the processes involved to get this money to your pocket directly, so you can fully understand that process. Now, if we put some stakes in the mix of all this pie, let's talk about what will happen if you don't go get your money. So let's say your video goes viral at an uncontrollable speed and you didn't monetize the audio. Well, right now there is no back pay available on TikTok. We just lost all of that money. And let me tell you, many artists are losing money on TikTok. And you may say, hey, it's not a lot of money. Well, actually, it adds up over the lifetime of your social media interaction with TikTok. But let's look at these stakes here. What happens is you only get recognition and everybody knows it, but you went viral and you didn't get any money. Will you be ready for a retro viral season? Will we get paid? That's the main question right there. But if you do succeed in the process of this and you understand this process when you book a call with me, if you succeed in accomplishing this correctly, the money will accumulate faster. You'll make money from the beginning of your creative process, and you can distribute your audio to TikTok faster, making you more prepared for future money. Plus, you can sleep great at night knowing you milked every dime from TikTok and that what they offer for music royalties. And for publishers' sake, you can keep your clients at bay and let them know they've got an extra check coming from TikTok. Ooh, I got an extra check from TikTok from my publisher. You know what I mean? So let's go from no money to more money. Book a call, get a plan so we can get some results on getting this TikTok money into your pockets, all right? If you make music, you should make money. My name is Casey Graham, Music Money Makers. This is the Music Money Makeover Show. I'll see you all next time. Peace.